Hello, and welcome to What's in the Box. And we're gonna find out what's in this box. Actually, it's so that I can straighten up because I don't know what's in all these boxes that I have. Okay, not a box, it's a drawer, but what's in the drawer doesn't actually roll off the tongue as much as what's in the box, you know? So, I have towers, like rainbow towers, filled with art supplies, and they're all a mess. So, kill two birds with one stone, make a video, find out what art supplies I have, get rid of some crap maybe, and straighten stuff up. So that's what I'm doing now. So, we're gonna go through this first box. This is just a basic, you can see my bracelets on my watch, that basic compass set, you get for math or whatever you're doing. And foldy ruler, which I can't unfold at the moment. Unfold. Haha! Unfold. See, you can kind of see it there. And then we have, this is a, what is it? Well, I got two of these, they're different. So this is just a basic, from Tesco, hey, 50p. This is just a basic ruler, stencils, some shapes, go over there. This is called something, but I don't remember what. What do we got on here? French curves, yeah, that's what they are. Huh, I should know that. There's a bunch, big one, small one, bunch. I got a bunch of these. I actually have a few of these somewhere, I'm not sure where. Then, oh yeah, we have this set, which, if I open this, it's gonna go everywhere. It's cool, it's inside. So we got this label, we'll put it there. It says, can you read that? Maybe? So, it says, what does it say? Oh crap, see, I knew that was gonna happen. I'll have to fix that. Moving everything. And I can't see what I'm doing because the mouse moved. There we go. Move that back. So, we have a bunch of old architect drafting stuff. I've got two of these. Now, this was John bought me this because I was gonna do, IED, which is, I don't freaking know. It was something interior environmental design. I was gonna take it. So, not to use there, but just because I was getting into stuff like that. So we'll have to fix that. So we'll put that gently over there. And then we have part of a, what the hell are they called? Focus, you little fuck. Come on, see, look. There we go. No, maybe. Yeah, there we go. This is from a, here's the S. I'm having cogfog days today. Spirograph, that's what that is. I have a bunch of them. And we'll throw that out because I'll probably blur it. See, another spirograph thing. So maybe I'll do something. There's all kinds of them here. A ruler with alphabet letters on them. See, letters. Ooh, yeah, shiny. This is a cloth for glasses. Don't wear that on there. See? This is garbage because it's a eraser packet. So we'll put that over there. We have another ruler, which actually should be over on the shelf over there. Some more spirograph stuff. More spirograph stuff. More spirograph stuff. You can't see because the camera's out of the fucking way. Oh, hey, this is like one of those bendy things, see? It goes like this. See? Woo! Fun. Ruler, bendy ruler. It's like a French curve thing, I don't fucking know. Another compass. Go over there. These are, for paper and put on clips. They're clips to put on paper if you've got like a drawing board and you go fit, and it keeps the paper on there. Another bendy folder ruler. I'm just checking things. Cheap Sharpie knockoffs, that from probably Asda, probably. They actually work okay. Go over there. What are you? Oh, you're from that set. This is from that set that I kind of destroyed. And I'm getting graphite over my fingers. And really, this eraser. That actually is quite soft. I'm surprised because normally they go bloody hard. Maybe it could be useful. I don't know. We'll find out. More spirograph stuff. Put that over there. More pencils, which shouldn't be here. They should be actually on or in my wooden thing. What have we got here? We have a Faber-Castell, a 2H. When the hell do I use a 2H? I have no idea because it's really bloody hard. What do we got here? Knockoff general pencils from they're Dermot ones. So we got H, we got B, we got. Oh, you can't see there, so we'll go. You can't see there either. We'll go over here. You have a 3B, which might be paper focus. And, that shouldn't go over there. This is an HB, which I use a lot, so we'll keep that. Oh, I've lost pencils. Put them over there. So, what else we got here? Let's move the chair, because crap. Camera fell. Oops. It looks to be okay. So, we'll kind of just reposition it over there. Will I edit this out? No. I'll just leave it in, because I'm a lazy bloody editor. Hey, look, and a thing from a stroller box from, when was you from? January, probably like 2 years ago. I don't really know. When did they have markers? A long time ago, those kind of markers. And we have more rulers. This is not a bendy ruler, this is just a normal ruler. And a ruler that's not bendy either. And we have, I know what these are called. I can't remember what these are called. I will put it on the screen here what these are called. yeah, you use them to resize stuff, and I can't remember what the hell they're called. They're cool. They're handy. We'll put them with the rest of them. We have more spirograph stuff. Put over there. That's a spirograph stuff. Oh no, wait, put the clip over there. So, oh crap. So we have this, which is a sketch. Can you read that? Sketchograph. Graph? Yeah, that's what it is. Sketchograph. So it says, will enlarge. Can you feed? Fuck, get in the way. Put over here. I got two bloody cameras and I can't fucking use any of them. There we go. Will enlarge, reduce, or what the hell does it say? Crap. So it's right here. Will enlarge, reduce, or produce original. You can't fucking mute that. There we go. Sort of. It'll be backwards for you probably. Original sites, images from maps, pictures, plans, photographs, etc. Blah blah blah. Probably got this from Hobbycraft when on sale, or maybe it was when Staples went out of business. Could have been that. But I've never actually used this. I've used smaller ones. Never actually used the big one. I'm not taking it out of the box at the moment because I don't want to put back in. Oh, it's more spirograph stuff. Woohoo! I don't know, get a pen and go like that. So this is another one of those kits, and this elastic bloody broke. Throw you over there, and I don't know how old these are. They're cool, and I don't even know if what I'd use them for. But they're all little pieces. Like this is a different one. Who made this one? Somebody it's got 26B on it, and it's got come on, put in there. See, it's got. You can't see that, or maybe you can. 26B, and then it's got. Oh no, wait. DB is there, or what would DB? BB is there, I should say. And then we have. Oh bloody hell! It says 26B there, and there's nothing else on it. It's just an old case, and velvet and stuff. And it's got more of those things that I really have to put back in here. Make sure they're in the right one. So, like I said, the whole point of this was for me to figure out what's in these things and what shouldn't be in these things, and I'm gonna have to put all this back away. Oh crap, I don't need this bloody elastic. Get away. Go in that bloody bin. But damn it. Okay, whatever. We'll fix it later. So the whole point of this is I'm gonna take something from each and every box and do something with it. I'll either make a poll or I'll ask John to pick something if nobody fills out a poll, or blah blah blah. This and the other one I could use still, so I'll put this on the thing too. Some of this stuff I'll have to look pretty use because I'm not 100% sure how to use some of it. Like I know what this is. That's the version of you map things, whatever. So I've got this. I've got the sketchograph, which is over here. See this thing? I've got the spirograph. I'm gonna do some art with it. That's the whole point of this. Do some art. And my hands are really dirty. That's gross. No, not actually dirty. They've been worse than this. Freaking focus, you bloody thing. So I'm gonna put. Like I said, I'll make a poll and use one of these or a couple of these, maybe, who knows, to make an art with. So that's what I'm going to do with this. So this is part 1, and then, you can't see my finger, and then there'll be a part 2, or a 1.5, we'll say. We'll see that. So, that's what I'm going to do with all this stuff. And the other ones are filled with a lot of other stuff. This is quite a boring looking one. Not boring. Well, maybe to some people. But, so the other ones will be full of other kinds of crap, art supply. Some of them I can't get to at the moment because there's stuff in front of them, but I will do that. So, I'm going to have to put this one back together, and I don't know if I've got everything that was in here. Probably not. So, that's what I'll be doing here. Putting this back together, and I will go off and do something. I am working on a Year of the Snake thing. Will I get it finished in time? Probably not, because I got, what, like 4 days, 5 days? I don't know what fucking time it is. But, so, if I make a poll, please answer, or not answer, but pick a, like, A, B, C, D, or whatever the hell I do. I don't really do it on the community things. I don't know. But then, so yeah. I'll do it, like I said, I'll do it. I'm rambling, and I've had my ADHD meds. I actually need to take the second dose. Maybe that's why I'm rambling. More than likely why I'm rambling. So, yeah, so comment if you want. Like, share, subscribe, all that crap that YouTube wants us to do, even though it does fuck all. But, so, that's what I'm going to do. And I will be back with probably a short and who knows what else. So, okay, bye.